अच्छा सेशन रहा, बहुत स्पेशली पार्टिसिपेंट फीडबैक बहुत अच्छा रहा हमारे पास, और they contributed well and they have asked questions well, and alhamdulillah we have learned a lot of things to do better for our country and our city.
सेशन कंडक्ट करने का जो मकसद था अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने वो पूरा किया है। इन्वायरमेंट रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ बहुत सारे पाकिस्तान में हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं इस वक्त। सेशन में हम लोगों ने बुलाया रेबेका को, इन्होंने थोड़ी सी रोशनी डाली कि किस तरीके से हम लोग इस इन्वायरमेंट रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ को जो हैं वो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं।
I'm Rebecca. I just gave a talk with 3DI as far as ecology and sustainability in Pakistan. It was covered by Tech TV, and I really appreciate the availability to talk about something that I'm passionate about, which is sustainability and ecology, and especially about helping Pakistan become aware and able to see some of the environmental impacts that every person can have an influence on.
We just finished a session on environment that was arranged by 3DI, collaborated with Odyssey and Tech Pakistan. The environmentalist Rebecca is here with us, and basically she has been working in different third world countries related to environmental issues.
The conviction that we as citizens of Pakistan have to everyone work together to make our country cleaner and greener.
Things are going to change. I promised Rebecca, and I said, Rebecca, I'll welcome you inshallah after 20 years into a Pakistan which is going to be greener, better and more beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, let's all work for it, and I'm sure we have got great potential. Pakistan Zindabad.